This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your console and account so voice works immediately. Sign into the Xbox profile linked to Fortnite and confirm Xbox Live is active. This gives you party and game chat permissions. Connect a headset, wired to the controller or an Xbox wireless unit, and test mic input in guide audio. Once done, make sure microphone access is enabled under Profile and System Settings devices and connections so Fortnite can detect your voice. You now configure Fortnite itself so teammates hear you. From the lobby, open Settings and go to Audio, set voice chat to on, then pick Open Mic for continuous talk or push-to-talk if you prefer control. Select the correct microphone device and adjust mic threshold so background noise doesn't trigger. Also set voice channel to party or team depending on who you need to reach, and tweak voice and chat volumes until others report clear levels. You finish by joining or creating a party and verifying in-game voice. Use guide parties and chat to invite friends or accept invites. Look for the green mic icon next to participant names to confirm transmit. If teammates can't hear you, make sure your headset isn't muted and volume is up, verify NAT type is open or moderate, and confirm Xbox privacy allows voice. If problems persist, test voice in an Xbox party first, then retry in Fortnite to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.